gentlemen, one of the reasons of why people in America are so unhealthy is the amount of time that we have in our lives. This, in conjunction with the lack of exercise and time to cook a healthy meal, has contributed to the rising number of chronic diseases. Recent data gathered by the World Health Organization shows that an incredible 2.7 million of deaths are attributable to bad nutrition. Additional data shows alarming numbers of obesity, alcohol consumption, and tobacco use within the U.S. population. There has been a huge increase in the number of people suffering from high blood pressure, high cholesterol, lung cancer, not to mention others. And this is due to the unhealthy lifestyle that many Americans have. The number one leading cause of death in the United States is heart disease, which is essentially caused by unhealthy diets, physical inactivity, overweight, and smoking. The fast-paced living restrains us from eating healthy. The high consumption of food with preservatives, fatty meals, high sugar and sodium, as well as the excessive intake of caffeinated drinks, increases the risk of heart disease. Likewise, another leading cause of death in the country is diabetes, which is triggered by improper nutrition, low protein and fiber intake, as well as eating refined products. Diabetes can affect many parts of the body and lead to serious complications such as blindness and lower limb amputations. Heart disease and stroke. Our inflexible work schedules, even our laziness, doesn't allow us to exercise regularly. There shouldn't be any excuses for us. It only takes 30 minutes of our day to exercise. Perhaps doing little things such as walking our dog around our neighborhood and maybe riding our bicycle with our kids can help us prevent chronic diseases while teaching them the importance of maintaining their health and fitness. Perchance, knowing the bad effects of smoking will change your feelings about this bad habit. Smoking can lead to emphysema and asthma. Smoking is not only harmful for the user, but it affects people around the smoker. Smoking has serious consequences that include lung cancer, heart disease, and strokes, as well as ulcers. Lung cancer kills more men and women than any other type of cancer. 80% of the cases are linked to smoking. The risk of getting lung cancer is related to the amount of cigarettes that a person smokes. Additionally, smoking causes other respiratory diseases like chronic coughs and shortness of breath. A person that smokes, it's more likely to make ordinary illnesses such as coughs, such as just a regular cold and flu, worse. People who drink in excess can also have problems that affects almost every system in the body, especially the liver, the brain, and the digestive path. To improve our health, we need to improve our lifestyle. If we want to live longer, we should start doing a self-assessment and ask ourselves questions such as how much do we eat, how much do we sleep, how much alcohol are we drinking, and how much do we exercise. It is important to be in good health no matter how old we are. Being in good health allows us to perform the daily functions of our life, just working, studying, playing with our kids, and any other thing we may want to do to be happy. Physical activity can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve our balance and coordination, as well as losing weight. It also can help us improve our sleeping habits and improve our self-esteem. So for a healthy life, eat well, sleep well, and exercise well. Remember, we can have all the money in the world, but if we're not healthy, we cannot live life to the fullest. So it's your decision.